Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of the Dewalt 20V Max String Trimmer Kit. Watch until the end to know our final verdict on whether it's worth the purchase. The Dewalt 20V Max String Trimmer is a battery-powered trimmer that will help you get rid of those weeds in your yard in no time. It's also a great tool for the environment since it doesn't use gas or oil, so you don't have to worry about leaving a carbon footprint after using it. It's a great tool for doing yard maintenance to provide the precision and force needed from a string trimmer. Since it's cordless, you have maximum maneuverability, so you can move around and it's easier to carry. It has a D-shaped handle with a nice padded grip for both horizontal and vertical cutting. It's a very quiet trimmer that only produces some vibration. It's powered by a 5.0 amp battery, with a varying runtime depending on the resistance of what you're cutting. You can easily swap out the battery for another one that's fully charged and continue with your work. You can use the variable speed trigger when you're working around delicate plants, so you don't end up damaging or cutting them accidentally. What we liked: light and well-balanced, comfortable padded grip, operates quietly, easy to start and operate. What we didn't like: doesn't have a shoulder strap, battery drains quickly. Specifications: as per the specs, this weed trimmer has great features, which will make it a nice addition to your yard maintenance tools. And apart from the routine cleaning, the only maintenance you'll need to do is refeeding the string once in a while. Things you should know about the Dewalt 20V Max String Trimmer Kit. This battery-powered string trimmer uses slightly less power than a gas-powered trimmer, but it's a great tool for any homeowner who already owns Dewalt 20V batteries. It uses a dual line that allows for fast cutting, and it operates quietly. Features: Ergonomic Handle. The D-shaped handle is well padded to provide a good grip, so you can cut horizontally and vertically with ease. It's also well positioned along the shaft to give it a nose-down balance when in use. This ensures you don't strain, and you can rest your forearm on the ribbed pad next to the battery housing. This is a good, neutral hand position that will allow you to easily handle the barrel grip with two paddle switches, one being an on and off switch and the other for safety. The high-low switch is below your thumb, so you can easily switch between the modes without placing the trimmer down. Brushless Motor. This trimmer uses a brushless motor with patented gear that will ensure you eliminate all the tough weeds and grass in your yard. It's designed so you can work quickly even if you're cutting through thick patches that most trimmers can't handle. Dual line. This trimmer comes with a dual line that will ensure that any bump feed is cleared up to 13 inches. You can also cut a very wide path without having to pass over it multiple times. A single pass is enough, so you can get the job done quickly to achieve a great-looking garden or lawn. The dual line bump feed will also ensure that you don't use more string than necessary, which will save you some money, since you won't need to buy a replacement line frequently. Variable trigger. This trimmer has a variable trigger with a 2-speed control that gives you full control when you need to adjust the speed for more power in some of the areas than others. This way you can trim your lawn much more easily and faster, so you spend less time trimming. Verdict: should you buy the Dewalt 20V Max String Trimmer? Yes, you should, because it's an easy-to-use weed trimmer that doesn't have a cord that will get tangled up. It also comes with many features. It's lightweight, easy to use, and has a padded, comfortable grip. Although it's not the best for carrying out heavier jobs, it will easily trim tall grass and thinner patches of weeds. Who's it best suited for? A battery-powered trimmer that's ideal for any homeowner who doesn't want to spend hours clearing out weeds in your yard. Also, if you're concerned about the environment and you're worried about leaving a carbon footprint, this battery-powered trimmer doesn't emit any fumes. That's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and let us know which video you'd like to see next from us. We'll catch you next time.